Hello everyone, hello designers. Today I would like to share with you a great tip I learned from another designer, and this is how to create the beautiful mock-ups that can sell your product. And the best thing, they're absolutely free. I used to scroll through surface pattern designers' website and be absolutely amazed how beautiful their patterns look and how beautiful their website look with all of those products with their patterns. And I was thinking how on earth they can do that, and then I realized that these were not the real products that then they had to pay a photographer to shoot, rather than it was a mock-up that was already created by somebody else, and then you can just apply your pattern on top of that. If you're looking for something like that, stay tuned. I will just explain you how to do that. You can pretty much find a mock-up of any product you can only think about. One of the best platforms I found where you can search for really good product mock-ups on the internet is called Rawpixel. I'm sure you heard about that before. So it's as easy as that. You just Google the website, you go online and you start looking for, let's say, product mock-ups, and then you get a list, almost endless list of different products you can only imagine. And the good thing that a lot of them are actually free of charge. But even if you like something which is not free of charge and sits under the premium subscription, the good news is it's only £3 a month, which is less the cost of a coffee if you think about that way. Okay, enough talking, let's actually create one mock-up together, exactly the one like you saw on the cover to my video. It's going to be a book cover with one of my patterns. So I already found that mock-up on rawpixel.com. I've already pressed download and I will open it on my Photoshop and you'll see it on the screen shortly. Okay, so that's my book cover loaded onto the Photoshop. It's really easy. You see it says there your design there, so you just click over here and you substitute the image that is already in that mock-up. So I'm just going to search for my pattern in one of my folders, and I'm just going to bring it back to Photoshop here, and I will adjust the size. I pretty much like what it was there before me, so that's what I'm going to do. So once you've done, you're happy, please don't forget to press that tick so the machine knows that it has to save it, the program knows it has to save it, and voila, you see your cover book with your pattern. Now I think it's got shading on it and I didn't like it. Right, it's not that one, it's not this one, it's I found it. So it's a highlight, it's called highlight. So you see they're very descriptive of what it is. So all I want to do is to reduce the opacity of this layer because I want it to be more bright, and that's it. So all that's left now is to change the color of the background. Let me see how I can do that. No, so I'm just going to quickly find a color picker tool, and then I'm just going to press bucket coloring tool, and that's us done. This is the exact replica of what you see on my cover. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you and you enjoyed watching that. Let me know if you managed to create a mock-up as a result of this, or if you're looking for any mock-up I showed today, please leave me a message and I will make sure I'll find it and send the link to you. Overall, if you're interested in receiving free resources like color palettes for Procreate or free clipart, this is something that I committed to doing and distributing free of charge. All you need to do is sign up for my notification letter. I don't think I will be sending a lot of emails. Please unsubscribe if you feel uncomfortable doing that, but all I'm trying to do is to share some of the cool tricks that I learned along the way becoming designer, and also sending people free resources like color palettes that you can use in Procreate or clipart, so you can create and learn alongside me. So thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.